Hello, in this video tutorial we will see how to install WEAP. To download WEAP, you must first join the WEAP forum. It is possible to apply for a free license if the requirements are met. Being part of the WEAP community allows you to post or answer questions related to the use of WEAP. It also allows you to receive updates on new WEAP versions, plugin, or upcoming training carried out directly by the Stockholm Environment Institute. You must be registered to download WEAP. First, we need to go to the WEAP website, www.weap21.org. Under the WEAP logo, there are different options available to change the language of the page. You can select English. Now go to the top right and click on the Join Now option. You will see an application form. Notice that red fields are required. You need to complete this form providing data such as first name, last name, email, organization, user type, address, city, and country. If you are a student or work for a government institution, use your official email. To apply for a free license, the user type field is very important. The options are student, professor, teacher, government, non-profit organization, consulting, private company, or other. Your email and user type must match. The field where you need to describe the purpose of the project for which you are considering using WEAP is very important to support the request for a free license. Once the information was provided on the form, you need to check the box if you want to receive notification from the WEAP forum. Then you click on Join WEAP forum. You must receive an email confirming that you are now part of the virtual community of WEAP users. The same email provides the forum access password. Go back to the WEAP page. At the top right of the page, click on the Login option. The user is the email used for joining the WEAP forum and the password was provided in the email. The password cannot be changed. The email which contains the password can be saved. In case you do not find the email or do not remember the password, you can always click on the option Forgetting your password. A new password will be assigned and sent to your email. Once you are logged in, we can download the WEAP installer. To download the installer, click on the Download WEAP option in the menu displayed when you log into the forum, or go to the menu on the left using WEAP and click on the Download option. A new page is opened where the Download WEAP option appears. Click on this option and the file called Install WEAP will start downloading. Once you download the installer, right-click on the file and choose Run as Administrator. During the installation process, you will be asked where you want to add the WEAP Areas folder, where all WEAP models will be saved. This folder is created in the Documents directory by default. The installed version of WEAP is an evaluation version, and it is a fully working version of the software. The only exception is that the Save Data option is disabled. To enable it, a WEAP license will be required. Under the Help option on the menu, go to Register WEAP if you have the username and the license registration code. There are two options for accessing the license types. The first one by entering through the Help Register WEAP option and selecting Visit the website now to apply for a license. You will be redirected to the WEAP page to see the available options. And the second one on the WEAP page in the menu on the left, under the Using WEAP section, click on Licensing option. Both options take you to this page. If you belong to a non-profit, governmental, or academic organization based on a developed country, you may apply for a free license. Click on Apply for a free license online option. Someone from the Stockholm Environment Institute is responsible for verifying all license applications. If the requirements are met, a free license will be granted. That is why the data entered in the registration form to the WEAP forum must be consistent. If the requirements for a free license are not met, you can explore other licensing options on the same page. To apply for a free license, you must first log in to the WEAP forum. You enter by using your registered email and the password sent. A summary of your data appears. You must check the box "I agree to the terms and conditions," which is at the bottom of the page, and click on Apply for a free WEAP license. Once you finish the process, a confirmation message appears. The evaluation can take between 1 and 3 days. If you are eligible to apply for a free WEAP license, you will receive a confirmation email with a username and a registration code. A free license lasts for 1 year, but it can be renewed if your type of user details does not change. To renew it, you must log into the WEAP forum and request the license again. Once you have the license, you need to enter the information in the WEAP registration screen. Under the Help option in the menu, go to Register WEAP. The registration data and expiration date should appear at the bottom.